It's down there.
All right, Pops. Camera's on, spotter's up.
All right, here we go.
Send it.
Hold left edge. Yep, got it.
I held half a mil for wind, but my bullets are different than y'all's.
I don't know for holding. I don't know what the deal is because it's not really too windy, but maybe at this range it's accumulating.
Maybe my zero isn't.
There's
dead
just a
perfect.
slight left breeze. You can watch the grass just kind of.
There's probably a higher wind that we're shooting. I can't see.
Impact.
Impact. Center, hair low.
Good hit.
Yeah. I bet you could also get some kind of mechanism where it hits. It has like a white, white spray painted beam and it moves around. You see it. How do you get mine?
Hold left edge.
All right, hold left edge. Keep elevation. Re-engage. Impact.
Dead center.
Hell yeah, buddy. There you go.
Good shit, man.
Fucking rocked it.
Anyone left?
Yeah.
If you're feeling it, if you make the call, yeah, you can do that. But I wouldn't. I would elevation just keep the same.
Just off right edge.
Impact.
Hit right edge. You just clipped the right edge.
Last night?
Yeah.
Oh, when we were driving through there?
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's good you did that.
Yeah.
Hit.
Right.
Let's go.
Nice! That was your first one.
That was Kentucky windage.
What was your windage?
I did the same exact windage as the Creedmoor.
Nice!
What'd you aim?
2 mils?
2 mils.
Did you
Okay.
aim for 1400?
Yeah, he went 1400.
Oh, no shit.
I'm actually impressed. Oh, that was 1400?
Nice, yeah.
That was 14?